Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. In this video, we are going to do the continuation of exercise 10.4. Problem 4. In the previous video, we have completed up to problem 3. So problem 4, find the length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle if the lengths of base and perpendicular are 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So we can find the answer by applying the Pythagoras theorem. So here I have drawn a triangle ABC and the base is 24 centimeter and perpendicular is 10 centimeter and the hypotenuse is x. According to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So AB square equal to 10 square and BC square equal to 24 square, AC square equal to x square. Therefore, x square equal to 100 plus 576, that is equal to 676 centimeter square. Therefore, x is equal to 26 centimeter. Therefore, hypotenuse equal to 26 centimeter. In problem 5, find the length of the diagonal of a rectangle whose length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So, to find the diagonal, we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. And here I have drawn a rectangle ABCD and the length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter and the diagonal is x or x centimeter. Okay. And here the diagonal is the hypotenuse and this is 90 degree. Okay. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Therefore, 15 square plus 8 square equal to x square. Therefore, x square equal to 225 plus 64. That is equal to 289 centimeter square. Therefore, x is equal to 17 centimeter. That is equal to the diagonal of the rectangle. 6. A person travels 12 km north by car and then 16 km due east by train. How far is he now from the starting point? So a person travels 12 km towards north, then 16 km towards east. Now the distance between him and the starting point. This one we have to find. So this forms the 90 degree. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find this value. This is hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. And AB square equal to 12 kilometer square plus ABC square equal to 16 kilometer square equal to AC square. So AC square equal to 144 plus 256. That is equal to 400 kilometer square. So AC equal to root of 400 kilometer square equal to 20 kilometer. So now he is 20 kilometer from the starting point. And problem 7, in the adjoining figure, this one, QH is an altitude from the vertex Q on side PR. PQ equal to 10 centimeter and QR equal to 17 centimeter and QH equal to 8 centimeter. Find the length of the side PR. PR. So here we are having two triangles and from this triangle we can find the value of PH and from this triangle we can find the value of HR. If we add PH and HR, we get the value of PR. So in problem 7, we have to find the value of PR. PR equal to PH plus HR. So we have to find the value of PH and HR. So in triangle PQH, according to Pythagoras theorem, PH square plus HC square equal to PQ square. So we have to find PH. So PH square equal to PQ square minus H square equal to 10 square minus 8 square. that is equal to 36 centimeter squared. So pH equal to 6 centimeter. In triangle RQH, h square plus hr square equal to RQ square. We have to find the value of HR. So HR square equal to RQ square minus HQ square. Therefore HR square equal to 289 minus 64 equal to 225 centimeter square. Therefore HR equal to 15 centimeter. But we know PR equal to PH plus HR, that is equal to 6 centimeter plus 15 centimeter equal to 21 centimeter. So PR equal to 21 centimeter. Problem 8. A 26 meter long ladder reaches a window 24 meter high from the ground on placing it against the wall. How far is the foot of the ladder from the wall? Solve this problem, we have to draw the diagram, and this is the ground and this is the wall and this is the window. Its height is 24 meter and this is the ladder. Its length is 26 meter and this forms 90 degree, and the distance between the ladder and the wall is x. Okay, so now you have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. Therefore x square equal to 26 square minus 24 square. This is equal to 676 minus 576 equal to 100. X square equal to 100 meter square. Therefore x is equal to root of 100, that is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 meter. So the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall is 10 meter. 9. If the diagonals of a rhombus measure 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter, find its perimeter. First you have to draw rough rhombus, then you have to mark the given data. So here I am taking a rhombus A, B, C, D. One diagonal is 12 centimeter and the other diagonal is 16 centimeter. We know in rhombus all sides are equal. The two diagonals are meeting at a point P and these two values are equal. 6 centimeter and this is also 6 centimeter and this is 16 centimeter, so this is 8 centimeter and this also 8 centimeter. So in solution part, in a rhombus ABCD, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. That means all sides are equal. And AP equal to PC equal to 6 centimeter. DP equal to BP equal to 8 centimeter. So now we are going to find any one of its side. I am going to find the side AB. So I am considering this triangle APB. So I am taking the triangle APB. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AP square plus BP square equal to AB square. Here this angle forms 90 degree. So AP equal to 6 centimeter and BP equal to 8 centimeter. So 6 centimeter square plus 8 centimeter square equal to AB square. So AB square equal to 36 plus 64 equal to 100. Therefore AB equal to square root of 100 equal to 10. That is equal to 10 centimeter. And we know perimeter is nothing but addition of all the four sides. We have already written AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. So AB plus BC plus CD plus AD gives the perimeter of the rhombus. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 40 centimeter. So perimeter of the rhombus is equal to 40 centimeter. And problem 10, a rectangular field is 80 meter long and 60 meter wide. What will be the length of the diagonal of the field? So this is a very simple problem. So before solving the problem, you have to draw the rough diagram of rectangular field. So here I am taking A, B, C, D. And here I have drawn a rectangle ABCD. Its length is 80 meter and breadth is 60 meter. And we have to find the length of the diagonal. It is X. Okay. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square, that is diagonal square. So 80 square plus 60 square equal to x square. Therefore x square equal to, this is 6400 meter square plus the 60 square is 3600 meter square. That is equal to 10,000 meter square. So x is equal to root of 10,000 equal to 100 meter. Here 4 zeros are here. So we get only 2 zeros. So x is equal to 100 meter. X is nothing but diagonal of the rectangular field. So diagonal of the rectangular field equal to 100 meter. So my dear students, to solve any problem after reading the question, you have to draw the rough diagram. Then only you can easily solve the problem. In the adjoining figure, xp is an altitude from the vertex x on the side yz. xp is the altitude, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Angle y equal to angle z. And pz equal to 4 centimeter. Find the perimeter and area of triangle XYZ. Okay. So here I have drawn the rough diagram and they have given angle y equal to angle z. That means it's an isosceles triangle. So these two sides are equal. And this is also 90 degree. Okay. Now we have to find the perimeter and area. So first we are going to find this value xz. This is equal to xy. So in triangle PXZ, in this triangle we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So px square plus pz square equal to xz square. So 4 square plus 3 square equal to xz square. Xz square equal to 25. Therefore xz equal to root of 25 equal to 5 centimeter. Xz equal to xy, because this is an isosceles triangle. So xz equal to xy equal to 5 centimeter. And next we have to find the perimeter and area. To find the perimeter we have to add all the three sides. Now we know this is 5 centimeter and this side is 5 centimeter, and we have to find this measurement. Okay, and in this is 90 and this is 90. This and this angle are same. So this and this angle are same. So these two angles are equal. So these two triangles are equal triangle. So this side is equal to this side, 4 centimeter. PZ equal to PY equal to 4 centimeter. So to find the perimeter of the triangle, we have to add all the three sides of the triangle, xy plus yz plus xz. And here we know the value of xy and xz. To find yz, we have to add these two values. 4 plus 4 is 8 centimeter. So 5 plus 8 plus 5 equal to 18 centimeter. So perimeter equal to 18 centimeter. And to find the area equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base is 8 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. YZ is the base, 8 centimeter. Height is XP, 3 centimeter. So if we solve this, we get 12 centimeter square. So area of the triangle is 12 centimeter square and perimeter is 18 centimeter. So my dear students, we have solved exercise 10.4 today. If you have any doubt, you please write it down in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.